And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:44 this morning, and the big national weather story today is going to be out in the west, where it's worth noting, look at the heavy rain coming down in Las Vegas right now. Yes, it does rain in the desert. This is the exception to the rule. They do get some rain out there today, getting more than they've seen in quite some time, and right along the coast in particular, lots of rain, and it's going to keep coming because see that circulation right there? That thing is still offshore, and so the rain is going to be continuing throughout the day, and this is going to become an issue, especially later in the day as this rain continues to fall because of all the bare slopes out there, all the trees that were burned down in the wildfires. Those trees help hold those slopes in place. And now when those slopes get wet, all that soil gets wet, it's going to slide off because there are no roots anymore to hold that soil in place. So we're going to be dealing with mudslides, landslides in California today, and already we're dealing with that. These reports of trees down just south of San Francisco, north of Los Angeles, and I think we're going to get more of those coming in as the day goes on, and reports of flash flooding too, some flooded roads out there. So it is going to be a mess of a day out there. Meanwhile here, much quieter weather. We're not going to see any rain at all. We're just going to have sunny skies all day because notice there were some clouds that tried to move in overnight, but even those are dissipating. And that tells us that with this dry air mass in place, we're going to be dealing with sun all day long, and we're going to be warming up quickly. Though it's chilly this morning, with sunny skies, we warm up quickly, especially with this dry air mass. And it's going to be sunny all day long, and into this afternoon, our temperatures are going to rise into the mid-70s, very close to where they were yesterday afternoon, except not as breezy as it was yesterday. So overall, a very nice day, and it's still going to be clear skies as we go into the evening hours. Now, the one catch, late tonight, the winds are going to shift a little bit out of the southeast, and that's going to allow a little bit more humid air to come in here. And so tomorrow morning, I think we're going to be dealing with fog, and it could be dense in spots. I don't think everyone's going to have dense fog, but there will be some that will be dealing with it, and that could slow down the morning drive for tomorrow morning. No slowdowns this morning. And I think the fog's going to be gone around 10, 11 a.m., and the rest of the day, it's going to be nice. Mostly sunny skies. It will be breezy again, but it's going to be a warm breeze with temperatures rising into the upper 70s, a little bit warmer even than today. And though it's chilly this morning, I promise you, you will not need the jacket this afternoon. 74 for our high with sunny skies all day long and winds only around 5 miles per hour. And winds are going to remain light tonight, but notice they're out of the southeast. They're going to be shifting during the day today, and that's going to allow a little bit more humid air to come in here, and that humid air will result in fog very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. It's also not going to be as cold. Temperatures around 50 degrees. Some will fall into the upper 40s, but we're not going to be dealing with the low 40s and even in some cases the upper 30s for a few folks that we'll be dealing with this morning. And we stay in the upper 70s on Thursday, but drier air comes in during the day Thursday, and that helps break up the clouds. We'll start out mostly cloudy, but end mostly sunny on Thursday, and then it starts to get cold again for Thursday night. We're getting down in the mid-40s, only warming up to the upper 60s. That's still pretty close to normal. These temperatures definitely not unusual for this time of year. Low 70s on Saturday, upper 60s on Sunday, and we stay dry for the weekend. The only chance of rain right now, some isolated showers on Monday. That also looks like our cloudiest day, but until then, lots of sunshine and pretty comfortable temperatures.